No, seriously, do it.
No, seriously, stop.
I'm gonna get my water. I'm so thirsty.
Do it while you're over there.
Why would you?
What? That wasn't loud.
We're gonna get kicked out.
Just don't go to the third floor. That's
Where? I
all.
don't know. Put your back